Hello everyone, and in this video I'll show you how to integrate Meta AI on Instagram. So it's a very easy process. Open Instagram, then go to the messaging section at the top right hand side corner. Over here at the very top you will see Ask Meta AI or Search. Click on that option and specifically click on that AI option which is glowing. That will open the Meta AI text prompt as you can see right over here. So there are many things that you can do over here. Like for example, you can ask inspiration for your next video. You can even do image generation as you can see right over here. Or let's say for example, you want some ideas on your new post. So just simply write whatever you want, then hit send. And now the AI will give you some titles as you can see right over here. So you can also ask for details of the titles like this for example, then hit send. Now wait for it to reply. So as you can see, it will do even topic research for you, as you can see right over here. So this is basically how you can integrate Meta AI and Instagram. So that's it. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.